With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.